How to change your region on Steam. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your Steam region. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Steam. If you don't have it, you can open your browser and download Steam from here. You just have to search for Steam download. And once you search for it, you can download Steam from here. And once you download it, make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you also want to download a VPN. Right now, I have downloaded this VPN called Proton VPN. You can download it for free, so you can give it a quick connect or choose from any of these countries available here on the free version. So once you do this, you can connect to this country right here if you want, and you can see all of these options right here. Right now I'm just going to do a quick connect. As you guys can see, I have connected to a VPN right here. It's connected to Japan right now. Now all you have to do here is find the game that you want to download or add to cart. So just search for any game. And once you search for it, you can just click on the game. And then from here, what you can do is add to cart or add to library. So once you find your game, so as you can see, I have a game here on my cart. And from here, you will find an option to continue with payment. And on the right side of your screen, you can change it to the country that you have just chosen. And like this, you can easily change your region on your Steam account. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.